It's very confusing on what is a personal data breach and what is not a personal data breach. So let me give you 10 examples so that it becomes clear on what a personal data breach is. 1. If an employee of your company or a contractor of your company loses a laptop and this laptop had personal data, then your company has had a personal data breach. 2. When an employee loses his office bag with personal data or documents relating to personal information of clients, it is a personal data breach. 3. When you or your staff send an email with all the names of different clients in two, then essentially you have let all the people know who are the other clients, and then this is a personal data breach because more clients know who their peers are. 4. When an email containing personal information in attachments is sent to a wrong person, it is an example of personal data breach. 5. When an email containing personal information, for example, a bank statement, is sent to a wrong client or a wrong recipient, it is a personal data breach. 6. When one employee receives the payslip of some other employee because of a system error, it is an example of a personal data breach. 7. When due to a system error, one customer is able to see customer data of another one, then it is an example of a personal data breach. 8th, when hackers get into your systems and get hold of usernames and passwords, then it is a personal data breach example. 9. When hackers get into your CRM system and get hold of customer information and contact details of your customers, it is an example of a personal data breach. 10. When hackers get into your employee management system and get access to personal information about your employees, it is also an example of a personal data breach. So now that you've seen the 10 examples of a personal data breach, I think it is clear that when a person gets access to something they should not have, now it doesn't matter whether this person is an employee, a manager, or a hacker, insofar there is access of personal and confidential information to somebody who should not have, it is a personal data breach.